US architects. This is a 4-bedroom and suite that we are working on a IBC compliant permit 2021. So this is the floor plan that we have created so far. So if you are joining for the first time, this is how far we have gone on this particular level. So in the next one, we have been focusing on the elevation for proper design and agreement and purposeful. So here now we focus more on this one and start doing the needful. So I'm going to go to foundation. So I'm going to say casement, then model in place. So use casement as well to do what I need to do. So remember the kind of things. So use extrusion, and so you click a flower first all around this position. So this is done. You can extend it to the front. So bring this one here as well. So what you do, trim this. So remove this from this and then trim this as well. So you follow up by doing the same thing as this part. So I'm still going to use the same file label template to do the work. So here is it. Now it's not over, just click finish. So what I do is that you change this material. This is what we focus our attention on from now. So you say come to this aluminum and say duplicate. You can rename it or whatever, just call it a flower fast. So flower fast, so then you leave it that way. So go to this, I say click on appearance library, then you go to search for sites work. So you can search for site work and check grass. So I use this high quality grass, so I choose that for mine. So I'm going to say after that I will say I want to copy, so I want to have the curves around this first. So I'm going to say just type 1 so that like move it but not original point. So you say edit. So what I need to do is to extend this one, offset it by 80. 80 will be too small, let me use 120. So I'm going to offset it by 120. Sorry, without copy. So just offset by 120. So I have issued here, there's no matter. I'm going to extend this one as well, extend it again. So extend that just be done. So we're still going to put big flower to cover up the position, so do that for it. So that says okay. Now you change this flower first appearance this time around. So say duplicate the access. So what you do is that you can limit curves. If you want to check the appearance if it's okay, then you go back here and change everything completely. I'm going to look at ceramic porcelain, so I'm going to use this white, nice white. So I'm going to use that one and click OK. So now what I have is the height, which is my issue. So I'm going to reduce this height to 120. So let's quickly check it on 3D and see what we have created. So here is it. You see that the beauty of the whole house is coming up one after the other. So this one now will prompt us to do more of what we want to create. So now I have this in place. I have another part in place. So now I want to create one thing. There are certain things I want to do here, and this is like a technology. This is a lightning. It's like a wall cladding, but it's going to reflect upon the lighting aspect of the building. So make it look more realistic and give a great benefit whenever in the night or anything. So now let's do it quickly. So I'm going to go to say I will just use the method of which I want to use as fast as possible. So I'm going to say create. We are still on the create mode. So I'm going to say create. So what I'm going to do here is that I will just like bring this one here. So I'm going to say it's going to be 600 by, okay, let me say 800. What is the issue with you? It's not giving me what I want, but just don't matter. So let's test it here. So we focus on what we are doing. So let's say 800 or 750. I'm going to do 750 here. Okay, I think it's okay. To do that. So what is the thickness? Thickness is 20 millimeter. So I leave it that way. So what I'm going to do is that I will copy from here. So pick up from somewhere distance and paste it here. You understand now? So now you're going to do multi-copy now, multiple copy, so that it will be faster and quicker. So multiple copy from here. Go on. More. Oh, sorry. Another one. No, I have issue. So I have issue there. So let me rectify that before I move on. So I'll not become a problem in the future. So delete that. Then delete this. So continue by copy this. So copy. So you get that. Now let's go to 3D and see what it means to create what I've created. So extend this by dragging it up. Drag it to the top. Then drag this again. So drag it like that. Understand? So you use the same extending energy. Come to level 2. You see mirror. So you drag that to this front part. Select this and say 90 degree. So you enter, then you move this completely. You move this, then paste it here. So it's not over. So go to this place and say so from here we're going to remove it. We don't need this. So this one is gone. So I'm going to adjust this one based on what I have. So I say okay, and I'll go to 3D here and see. So this is the exclusive part in which I've created. So now I can use this one to bring more lighting aspect to this. So I will just say copy. Sorry. Copy. If I have it. I think it's done. So let's go to the did you copy? Yes, copy. So edit, cancel. So say edit extrusion. Then go to this level 2. So from here, you can delete this completely. Then you draw your rectangular line all the way from here. So you don't have it because it's an extrusion. You can still probably adjust it in the local manner. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to do the same thing here by maybe this one here. I'm sorry. Come here. So drag this, drag it back. And say okay. So go back to this list and see what we've done. So you write it down. Okay, go to the east elevation, then adjust probably for this reason. Understand? So go back to 3D, then you adjust this one, shift it a little outside external. So go back here and extend this one a little bit as well. So now you can start changing the material for clarity purpose. So you can increase it a bit up. Okay. So I'm going to say here, I say duplicate material. So fast, let me use the same color with it. Why? That's fine. So I will say, so this is done. Now it's not over completely, so we've seen the material to be assigned on this one, but before then let me quickly gain a flower so that you know how to adjust the flower into a position. So click here and say come to any kind of flower fast you see. So choose here. I'm going to go to elevation. That's why I'm going to control that. So you say, let me say from here now, say edit. So I'm going to reduce this one. 4.5 is too much. So I'm going to say, let's say 1,200. So now we're going to change it from very to search for the appropriate one that know that can be fitted. So you go to scrub flower, things like that. I think this one will be okay. So you choose this one and press okay. Increase it a bit by say 1,500. So now you copy this. Understand? You copy the third part. So for the first one, you duplicate this one. Duplicate. Leave it as 32. You change the appearance of this one to something like dendron. So that will be okay. You can reduce the height if you feel like the height is too. Let it just give it a little bit of shorter one. So let it be short. So this one, now you click on this one and reduce it again by saying duplicate. Then you go back there and change the color. So here you can just like assign this one acacia. So you choose that. So when you come back here, you can check it from the realistic and see the details, how they look. I think like this, it makes a little bit of sense. So come to foundation level, adjust this, so you push it to the front, and just like that. So you can copy these three. Do not mirror, copy them, then paste them around where you know they need be. So you rotate this. Understand? So you can have them in bunch like that. So I'm going to say copy. I put one here, put one there, more here, and more here. So do the same thing as well. Don't need to mirror, just leave it that way. So do the same thing here. You can put at the front and put at the front. So now, what I want to do here, I can delete this one, match this and push it to the front. Push it backward a bit. So do the same thing here too. So this one I'm going to change this one to palm. So I'm going to change them to palm like that. So I'm going to say duplicate, then duplicate again. Okay, I will say instead of having that, I will say appearance of this will go to tropical. Yeah. So like this now, I'm just using unique palm. So these are the common Revit templates that are common here. So you can increase this one. So go back to start elevation and see what is being created. So this is it. So this is the, I think this is the palm. You can select that palm and see edit. Increase this one to 1900. Let's say okay. So update. So I don't have it here. Can I select that one and copy it to the opposite side, but please don't mirror. So just say copy, and then you copy it here. So if what they have here is what you need, you can click on them and then edit accordingly. So let's say foundation, you pick here, edit extrusion. So you can just like draw around. If you have the drum like that, you do the same thing here too. So that this flower will not be as if they are floating. So you do the same thing there, then you do the same thing as well here. Click finish. Sorry, click finish. So you click this one and you work the same manner. So here you say exclusive 120. So I think that the same thing here. I think we can click finish and see. So go back to 3D and see the great work that are being done. So elevation is more of a tedious job, but as an architect you have no option than to work in detail. So this is done. So you go back to the foundation, like bring, just like modeling, you can model everything here, just have this clear facts. So I'm going to say here, then drag this down. So you understand now? Okay. So that's it. So it will not be like it's floating. So before any the time the fence is going to be great and all the details are going to be. So we have gotten to this level, and the beauty of the house is now outside. So this is really building out that we are seeing. So in the next tutorial we're going to focus on the material, assign material, and develop the whole thing one after the other. So thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. God bless you.